Alright guys, if your iPhone Air is stuck in recovery or DFU mode and it's just showing this support.apple.com on your screen, it won't restore, neither update, or let's see two ways how to exit this mode. Let's say after checking the recovery mode, it's got stuck and you've unplugged it but it didn't work. To exit this mode, you can either perform a force restart, press and release the volume up and down key, and press and hold down the power button till the Apple logo shows up. Or you can just force shut it down by long press over the volume up and power key until it shuts down completely, and then just press and hold the power button to turn it on again. If none of this helped you, there is another, rather easier way to exit recovery mode. So if you got any iPhone nearby that's updated to iOS 18 or above, and on your Air, just keep pressing and release the power button like this until Apple logo blinks on the screen a couple of times. Two animated iPhones side by side will appear on the screen, and you will immediately get a pop-up on the other iPhone. Just press continue. Now, as you can see, an auto-generated code will appear over your iPhone Air screen. Just put that exact code to your other iPhone. And then you'll be prompted whether you want to restore your iPhone Air from there or just exit recovery. Now, since we're talking about exiting, I'm just selecting that and then press continue. You'll see iPhone restarting prompt in there. Just hit the OK button. And then in no time, your iPhone Air will get out of recovery mode and just restart normally. So these are all the ways to get rid of recovery or DFU mode on your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching.